In this video, I am going to explain about operators concept. Before going to learn something about the operators, we need to know one thing clearly. If you want to create a variables, first we need the var keyword. After the var keyword, we need the variable names. For example, a is equal to 10 I have given. This is a one of the variable. This is a one variable. In the same way, if you want to create one more variable, we need, for example, var b is equal to 20 I have written here. In the same way, I am having a one more variable, for example, var c is equal to a plus b I have written here. Means these are called as variables. To create a variables, we need the var keyword. After the var keyword, we need the variable name. After the variable name, we need the one assignment operator, and after that we need the values. Observe here, whatever you are calling it as a variable names, whether it is a or b or c, these are the variable names. And whatever after the a, you are having a is equal to. After b, you are having a is equal to. After c, you are having a is equal to. As well as after the a, you are having a 1 plus symbol. One more thing. Where d is equal to a minus b, where e is equal to a into b. Next, where f is equal to a by b. If you clearly observe here, whatever you are having after the var keyword, this is called as a variable name. A is a variable name, and b also one of the variable name, and c also one of the variable name, and d also one of the variable name here, and he also one of the variable name, and f also one of the variable name. 10 means it is a one of the value. 10 means it is a one of the value. Here the 20 also one of the value. But in the next third line, instead of giving the directly value here, we are going to do the some operation. Operation means we are doing the arithmetic operation. Plus is nothing but one of the symbol. Using this symbol, we are going to do the arithmetic operation. A is a one of the variable, and b also one of the variable, and inside a a variable we are having a 10 as a value, and inside a b we are having a 20 as a value. But a plus b means we are doing the one operation. Operation means one task we are doing, one work we are doing. Observe here, operators means operator is nothing but one of the symbol. For example, this plus is nothing but one of the operator. So operator means it is one of the symbol. Using this symbol, we are going to do the one operation at a time. Means plus is the one of the addition related symbol. Using this plus symbol, we are going to do the addition operation. In the next here, I am having a minus. Minus means it is also one kind of the operator. Operator means symbol. Using this symbol, we are going to do the subscription or subtraction. We are going to do it. In the next line, for example, here I am having a asterisk symbol. Asterisk means into, using this one, we are going to do the multiplication operation. And one more, I am having this here, division symbol. So using this one, you are going to do the division operation you are going to do. Means, and one more thing, this is equal to also like one kind of the like symbol. Symbol means it is like a symbol means it is like operator. So using particular operator you are going to do the like one particular operation. So operator is nothing but one of the symbol. Using that symbol you can able to perform one operation at a time. This is equal to is nothing but assignment operator. What is the meaning of assignment operator? Means whatever the 10 is value is there, the 10 is stored inside a variable. That's why here the operators means I am going to explain. Operator so here operator is a symbol. Why we are calling the like operator symbol means if you observe here either this plus operator or a like a minus or a asterisk or division, these are called as symbols only. What is the use of this symbol means, for example plus is nothing but one of the arithmetic symbol. Using this symbol you are going to do the arithmetic operation, means one task, one operation you are going to do. That's why we can say that inside a like JavaScript we are having a like operator. Operator is nothing but a symbol. Using this operator is a symbol. Using this symbol we can perform one operation. We can perform one operation at a time. So again I am repeating, operator is nothing but one of the symbol. Using this symbol we can perform one operation at a time. Next we are having the like one more thing. Here we are having the operands. Operands is nothing but like variables. Variables also called as properties. Properties are also called as states. Means we are having, for variable we are having that like three names. One is the one is the operands. Operands also called as variables. Variables also called as properties. Properties are also called as states. Means for one variable only we are having a four names. Operands are nothing but like variable names. Variable names nothing but like properties. Properties means states. We are having the like four names. Means this operator is nothing but one of the symbol. Using this symbol we are going to perform one certain operation over the operands. Operator is a symbol. Using this symbol we can perform one operation at a time with the help of over the operands. Here the operands means now observe here. Operator is nothing but one of the symbol. Using this symbol we can perform one operation at a time over the operands. Here the operator means I said the symbol. Symbol means for example this is equal to is nothing but one of the assignment operator. Assignment operator also like one kind of the symbol. What is use of this assignment operator means whatever you are having the 10 as a value, that one you are assigning to a variable, means you are giving or you are storing this 10 inside a variable. Without the assignment operator means without the is equal to operator you can't able to store the any variable value. If you want to store the variable value we need the assignment operator. Next, second thing, we are having a plus, and plus is nothing but one of the arithmetic operator. Using this arithmetic operator we can able to perform the arithmetic operations. For example, inside A we are having the 10 and inside B I am having the 20. Here A plus B means here in this particular place we will get the output as a 30. And we are having the one more thing here. For example, A minus B, here I have written like A value is like less value but B value is like more, so here minus 20 you will get as a output. But here we are having A into B. A into B means A value is 10 and B value is like 20. If you do the like 20 into 20 10 into 20, then here you will get, this is the like output you will get here. In the same way, for example, here for this I am going to give, for example, consider this is like here it is a like A1 and it is a like B1. So here I am creating a, for example, where A1 is equal to, I am having a 10 as a one value, and one more thing I am having where B1 is equal to, I am having a for example 2 I am having as one of the value. So if I do the A by A1 by B1, so here you are going to get the like output this one. What you are doing, first 10 you are having, after the 10 you are having the like 2, then is equal to, here you will get the 5 as a one of the value you can able to get here. And if you want to get the like remainder value, we are having the like one more thing called, we are, for example, where we are having where, for example, f2 is equal, f1 is equal to, I am having a divided by b, I am having a1 divided by b1 I am having. So here you will get the like 0 as a value only. 10 divided by 2 you are having, then you will get the output as a 0. 0 means you will get the like this one remainder value you will get. At the same time we are having the like one more thing called as, for example, observe here I am having a where c1 is equal, c is equal to, I am having a like 20 as the current value. If you do the, for example, document dot write ln of, if you do the like c, if you check the output of this one, then here you will get the value as a 20 you will get. In the same way what you are doing is, already you are having a c value, then you are doing the c plus plus. C plus plus means incrementing the value, incrementing one step, incrementing one step. Incrementing one step means already c value is 20, then incrementing the one value means here you will get the 21 as output. In the same way, for example, here you can able to increment the two types in two ways you can able to increment the value. So if you are writing, for example, plus you are having, then c you are having, for example, you have written this one document dot write ln of, you have written like this. What is the meaning of this one means, what is the meaning of this one means, first plus means 1 you are having, first plus means 1, then after that you are having the one more plus means, that as it is you will get here. for for first plus means 1 is the like value, for second plus means you will get the as it is plus, and here the c means c value is, now the c value is 20, so here what you will get is 21 you will get as a like output in this line. But observe here, if you are writing the same thing, you are having a one more thing here. The meaning of this one means you are having the like C value is 20, then after like C value is 20, what you are doing is you are trying to do the I plus, I mean plus plus you are doing. What is the meaning of this one means, first you have to print the this 20 as it is. After printing this line, printing this 20, next line you have to do the like 20 plus 1 is equal to, in the next line you will get the 21 as a one of the value. Means it is a one of the post increment. Whatever you are doing here, this is nothing but a post increment. This is a post increment, but here it is called as pre increment. Pre increment means it is one of the pre increment, it is one of the post increment. Means in your two ways you can able to increase the like value. Same way you can able to decrease the value also. For example, if you are doing the something called as document dot write ln, you are using the like minus minus, this is nothing but a decrement variable, decrement operator. Minus minus C you are giving, then after that, so already like here the C value you are having the like 20, but here the like 2 hyphen means decrementing the like value. Means first for minus 1 is you will get the like 1, and then inside this, for example, you are having the 20 as a value, and inside you are doing the like 1 minus value, so you can get the like value output as a 19, you can able to get it. Means one value you are decrementing. So if you want to understand this one practically, you have to come here.